Mokwetlisi wa Bafana Bafana Hugo Broos o re o ne a batlile ho ba le dipapadi tse neng di le sehlopheng se bapetseng papadi tse pedi tsa setswalle kgahlanong le Botswana le Sierra Leone. Ho na le dipapadi tse bapetseng papading tseo tse seng sehlopheng jwale ka bobedi ba tsa Orlando Pirates Innocent Maela le Nkosinathi Sibisi. Broos o re ho se be teng hwa tse ding tsa dipapadi sehlopheng a se taba tse monate.
We have Pedi, who is injured. We have Sitole, who is injured. We have Maela and Sibisi. We have Mayambela, we have Foster. And then we have two guys, Mashego and Persitao, who don't play for the moment in their clubs. There's a lot of players who are not there. Therefore, a little bit disappointment because yes, the plan was to play, certainly, to start again with the same team that played against Sierra Leone. But with all these injuries, it is not possible.
Mokwetlisi o boetse a re ho bohlokwa sehlopha se hlole papadi tsa setswalle kgahlanong le Mozambiki le Angola. O re ho ka phahamisa boitshepo ba dibapadi pele papadi tsa bohlokwa tseo sehlopha se tlo di bapalang a lemo se tlang.
I think it should be again an enormous boost for us if after those two victories in September, to have again two victories today this week, and that we can go with full confidence to the two important games in March.
Bafana Bafana tlo bapala le Mozambique ka Labone, pele bapala le Angola Sontaga Mbombela Stadium Nelspruit. Phesinka tlo SABC News.